Everyone wants to improve their lives, but the thought of making big changes can be daunting. What if there was a way to make a significant change in your life with just 5 minutes a day? Well, it turns out there is. The 5-minute habit that changed my life forever is so simple, yet so effective. It has transformed the way I approach my day and has made a significant impact on my mental health, productivity, and overall happiness. In this video, I will share this life-changing habit with you, and how it can benefit you too. The 5-minute habit that I am talking about is meditation. Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, and its benefits are well documented. But it wasn't until I started incorporating it into my daily routine that I truly understood its power. Meditation has many benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, increasing focus and attention span, and improving overall well-being. But the most significant impact it had on my life was how it helped me to stay present at the moment. As someone who is always thinking ahead, worrying about the future, or dwelling on the past, this was a game changer for me. By taking just 5 minutes out of my day to sit in silence, I was able to calm my mind and focus on the present moment. It gave me a sense of clarity and perspective that I had never experienced before. It helped me to let go of my worries and anxieties and allowed me to approach my day with a clear and focused mind. Incorporating meditation into my daily routine has changed my life in so many ways. It has improved my mental health, productivity, and overall happiness. And the best part? It only takes 5 minutes a day. So if you're looking to make a positive change in your life, I highly recommend giving meditation a try. It may seem daunting at first, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. Take 5 minutes out of your day to sit in silence, and see how it can transform your life forever.